Shenendehowa, there's no shortage of conflicting standpoints. Standpoints on immigration, education, our current president, and finally, gun control. In light of recent events in Parkland, Florida, it's empowering to see high school students within Shen and around the United States utilizing their voices to advocate for a safer tomorrow. When the idea of a walkout at Shenendehowa was proposed, there was that unavoidable initial confusion and doubt. What would a walkout entail? Who would participate? Was it safe? And the most common question, would there be harsh repercussions? Through the continuous support of Shen's administration and student body, the protest was able to be transformed from a far-fetched idea to a coherent act of activism. I'm a firm believer that protests regarding issues such as these withhold a highly emotional component too. Specifically for Shenendehowa's planned walkout, students may march for varying reasons, many of which may be personal. In all reality, Clifton Park is a very nice place to live in, as is Newtown, Connecticut, as is Great Mills, Maryland, as is Parkland, Florida. What struck me most about these tragedies occurring all around the country was that it very easily could have been me in the position of those students permanently traumatized by the uncalled violence they experienced. The similarities between Shenendehowa High School and Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School are striking, an uneasy comparison to be made, but necessary nonetheless. If my peers and I have learned anything from living through and participating in such an important movement, it is that people should not live their lives with the mindset of, it doesn't affect me until I'm directly affected by it. Although Shenendehowa's walkout has not yet taken place, myself and my fellow coordinators have been hard at work to make this event as successful and informative as possible. We hope that our efforts garner the support of our elders as that will undoubtedly add additional and much welcome fuel to the movement. At the end of the day, regardless of the direct political impact Shenendehowa's walkout has individually, marching for gun control, mental health awareness, and overall school safety in itself keeps the issues at hand relevant. And in a world with so much information and negativity, I believe that to be a huge step in the right direction.